Now that we have added the migrations and we added the stored procedure as well as view, let's see how we can use or extract data out of that view. So we'll do all of that in our playground that we have inside the book controller. We'll scroll all the way down where we have our playground. Let me go to debug and disable all breakpoints. And we have our playground right here. Perfect. I'll comment this code out. In here, we first want to work with the views. Let's create a variable view list here, and we can use our DB context. In there, we already have the model book details from views, which we did the configuration in application DB context. So here you can use it like you are using the entity. So you can just add a .toList and that will retrieve everything from that view inside the view list variable. That being said, I will copy this and paste this 2 more times. With views, you can do the functionalities that you were able to do with entities. Like here, you have the first.default as well to retrieve the one entity, and you can also add where clauses. So here we can say u goes to u.price, and let's extract all the books where price is greater than 500. That being said, let's run this and let's take a look at this. We will go to book and we'll go to our playground here. Right here, let me open up debug, Windows and output. And let's examine the SQL once it gets executed. I'll clear all the logs here and I'll press F10. You can see it executes the SQL against the view that we have and it retrieves the records right here. We have 6 records. In the next one, we will only retrieve the top one, so we'll get 1 record. And that's the record right there. Last thing, we have the filter. So in this time, we'll retrieve different records. Let's see. We retrieve 3 records because only 3 books have price greater than 500. While we have that, let's go to our tracker here and see what it actually tracked. If we go to the result view, you will notice that it's not tracking anything from our book details from views. And that is because I told you if there are no primary keys, Entity Framework Core will never track those entities. So everything is working as expected with our views.